Hey guys, it's the TSC back again with an unboxing of the Wacom Intuos Draw Tablet. This is a really cheap drawing tablet you could get for, I think it's about $90 on Best Buy. Got for Christmas, and yeah, so this is the tablet. It's a really cheap entry-level tablet if you're just getting into graphic design or want to take an extra step into drawing. So here, box, you get English, French, all that stuff. The back, you get the Creative Pen tablet and what it looks like. This only comes in white, I think. Probably get a free drawing pack, but I'm using this with Photoshop. So let's unbox it. So I think there's a tab, and this comes in a sleeve, I think. And yeah, you need to use a knife to do this. Alright, so I have to cut open that tab right here. There you go. Just one hand, hold on. And this is the box it comes in. And this is the sleeve. Very nice, shows a picture of a person right there. And we have another tab I have to cut, so put this down for a second. Right here. Ooh, and here we have the tablet. So here we have the pen, the drawing pen, and this is the tablet. Feels very light. Something you could take, in a bag. Could fit in a purse probably. And the software. There's I don't know what this is. It's probably like the charging cable for the tablet. Oh wait, no, I think this is the connector for the tablet. Yes, connector to your computer or laptop. And I think this is like all the manuals and stuff. Yep, so just instructions, simple to connect to your computer. You have all the manuals here. See how they smell. No, they don't smell too bad. So yeah, so here's your, I think this is a quick start guide, yeah. And this is the software or installation CD for software, I think. And then just warranty stuff. I don't know, you don't care about that. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the Wacom tablet. Like I said, it's a good entry-level tablet if you want to get into graphic design or anything like that. Perfect if you just don't want to use a mouse to draw all your things you want to make Photoshop art making a little bit easier. So yeah, this tablet feels really light too. Let me take it out of this plastic. How are we gonna do this? I do this with one hand. I don't have a tripod on me, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. This is what it is. Ooh, it feels really nice. This is nice matte feel to it. It's feels very light. I think these are your buttons. Your buttons that you can customize to for it to, like, optimize on your computer. And ooh, this is the pen holder, so that's really convenient. And oh, this is just the for like battery compartment, I think. But yeah, so that's the Wacom Intuos Draw Tablet. Great for art. Great for entry level beginners. And yeah, that was the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and TSC out. Bye. Oh, and Merry Christmas too.